beautiful rack of ribs. We're gonna go ahead and press it in here just like that. Go ahead and shake it. Cover that up nicely. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead, marinate this overnight in the fridge. In the meantime, we have one prepared for y'all already as usual here. We just took it out. It's been there since last night. We'll go ahead and make a little space here. Look at that. This is tender. Come through with some salt. Hit it with some pepper. We're gonna go with a little chipotle powder, garlic powder, little brown sugar, and of course, barbecue sauce. We're gonna go ahead and put it nice and slow at 275 degrees for 3.5 hours, guys. When it comes out, it's gonna be falling off the bone. So get nice and tight. And in we go. The oven is preheated. Stick them in there. We have this beautiful rice bowl that I made using only rice. Here we're gonna come through with some egg yolks. Nice and beautiful, a little salt and pepper. We're gonna go ahead and whisk that around. Pop them. This is gonna cook nicely. Now we're gonna come through. Little olive oil all the way around. This is for our veggies that we've prepared for you guys right here. Go ahead and take these. Now we come back through, put them all around like this. Grab that. Come back with some carrots here, red onions, all the way around just like that. And we're gonna come back through and cover it all with these eggs and veggies nice and cooked. All right, guys, this is smelling good. It's about time to uncover it. We're gonna go ahead and grab a spatula, remove these just quickly out the way like that. One more little turn here. And we're gonna go ahead and grab them all. Get yourself a nice little mix. Pour it in. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. The underside is nice and crispy, which is a perfect combination. We're gonna go ahead and move that over real quick. Bring the plate onto here. And then we move it on. Just like this, guys. Grab it and move it onto the plate. Perfection. Just like that. Slide that right out. And let's move on to our next step. All right, guys. Dinner is served. Let's grab these. Go ahead and place them on there. Slide them off carefully. Ooh, there we go. And let's finish it up. Come through with some fresh cut spring onions and a little jalapeno, red jalapenos, little red chilies, a little spice there. Let's take a little piece. Whoa. Oh wow. Chefclub.tv.